There we go, he smashed that. All right, good morning, guys. Hey, we're out here early. Sun's just now coming up. We're gonna go hit some top water in a place where I have seen them absolutely, chill out car, have seen them absolutely smashing bait. So we're gonna try and get on that. Hopefully we can slam out a video real quick. I wanna do one just straight on top water. Let's see if we can make that happen. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, we are out here bright and early. The sun, jeez, man. All right, guys, we're out here bright and early. The sun hasn't came up yet. I'm gonna sling around this dual pitch from 13 Fishing. I'm targeting right over here. There's a whole school of bait. If we don't get anything here, we're gonna move all up and down this bank. As you guys can see, it's not a very wide pond, but it is very long. So let's get to it. Oh, big old gator's coming. That ain't good. That's a big gator too. Look at this thing. Wow, guys, that's scary. That's scary how big that thing is. Now, that one got it. Finally. I don't know how big it is, and I also don't know where this gator's at. So, we're gonna try and get him up as fast as we can. Not big. There we go. Jeez, that took a lot of effort, guys. For real. Not a big one, but great explosion. Great top water explosion. All right, first fish of the day, nothing right home about a pound and a half. And actually, I'm pretty surprised the gator didn't come up any of them. So here we go. All right, let's go. There we go, he smashed that. Absolutely smashed that. Now, I don't think it's a big fish, but absolutely just smashed it, guys. Obviously, that was fun. Oh, there we go. Whew. Tell you what, those big ones are getting in the way of all these little 3-pounders. That's a 3-pounder. There he is, that gator. He was hiding underneath the whole time, guys. So I'm saying, man, they can hold their breath forever, and it is scary. It is scary how big that one is. Much better fish, guys. All right, I won't give her 3, but I'll definitely give her upper 2s. So, nice fish. Gator's right over there. Gigantic fish. Drilling the top. No, sorry, buddy. I mean, this is ridiculous right here. See how big this thing is. Look how big this gator is, guys. And this thing's huge. Straight up jerk. Gator's really interrupting my fishing. And I don't want to leave this spot either. Oh, I thought I had something. Freaking bluegill. That's a slab of bluegill. Wow. Aggressive little feller. I'd gladly give this to this stupid gator. If he would just leave me alone. Alright. Okay, so now we know why the big bass are there, because they're eating bluegill. Should be getting hit right away, to be honest, but it's not happening. Oh. Okay. All right. That's a gigantic tilapia. Just side hooked him. I guess he got mad at it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I guess we're gonna say it's a multi-species day, guys. Alright. These things are always a pain in the butt to pick up. So, we're gonna go ahead. I got him. There he goes. He's turding or something. Maybe he's laying eggs. Not sure. Let's see ya. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. We are day 2 into this video. I was not satisfied with the top water yesterday because of the big monstrous alligator. However, I did come out to the same spot because when you see 6-7 pounders breaching on bait, you got to come back out and try and get them on top water. Just saying. Anyway, hey, I'm done talking. Let's get back into this video, guys. We're gonna start out with the 13 fishing dual pitch. I'm throwing it on my Concept Z slide. This is absolutely phenomenal reel, and I got a 7.3 NV medium heavy rod. Oh man, first cast, just net the best. Hopefully alligator doesn't come running. God. Oh my God. And he missed it. All right, guys, well, that sucked. I had like 4 blow-ups. One of them was a very, very big fish. They obviously got a front row seat to a few blow-ups. Had 4 blow-ups, 2 follows, and yeah, no fish. I can't explain it. They're destroying bait all around. Throwing a walking bait through. I've tried different colors on the walking bait. I tried a bladed jig, rattle trap. Absolutely just shut out so far. And that was probably the most active I've seen that pond. I've really just started fishing it again. That's probably the 3rd time that I fished it in a week. And I caught fish all the other times, but not today. Anyway, on to the next pond. Let's go, guys. Alright, guys. So we have moved spots, obviously, because I can't deal with that crap anymore. I can't deal with the failure of all those blow-ups and no fish. Oh, freaking heartbreaking, guys. Now, I'm tossing around a chatterbait right now, but I've never caught anything on a chatterbait at this place. I had one on, or I should say, I've never caught anything on a bladed jig at this place. I've had one on before. Okay, all right. Well, there's 2. Decent little fish. Oh, yeah. All right. That's one of the skinnier fish that I've caught here, actually. Super long, though. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Finally. That was a nice little 4-pounder all day. All day, every day. My way. Pretty fish, guys. Yeah. That worked out. All right. I mean, that surprised me. I was just saying, I've never caught anything on. Yep, I guess I should just showed up. Finally caught one. See you later. Jeez, hammered. I mean, seriously, hammered it, guys. There had to be another one on. Dude, hammered it. Oh my God. I mean, he hammered it so hard he's got a little speckle from the worm into his mouth. Look at that little fatty. Dude. Oh boy, look at that. Jeez Louise, never thought that was what was going to be on the end of the line. I mean, it hammered it. A cute little guy. You're a cute little guy. All right, you know what? Because you hit like a 10-pounder. All right, I'm not going to say 10-pounder. You hit like a 4. I'm going to give you a nice little release, buddy. Jeez Louise, that was crazy. You guys bored yet? I am. Time to move on. Is that a bite? Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels pretty good too. Oh, yeah. That was way out there, guys. Oh, gosh, I freaking slipped on the hook set and everything. Oh, yeah. I didn't even know it was that far out. That's a big one. Yep. Oh, it's big one. Come here, girl. All right, I see you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yow. Okay, I think I just got something in my knee. Reach down and get her. Whew. Hello. On him. Found her. Whew. That was not small. That was a good fish. Whew. Yeah, you weren't getting out of that. That was really a mean hook set. All right, I'm gonna guess 6, because it is thick. Look at that. That's a thick fish. All right, I'm gonna guess 6. Don't you do this. Oh no. Do I have the other one in there? Shoot. I think I have the other one in the bottom of my bag. I think I have my backup scale, guys. I think I have my backup scale. Yes. Whew. What the hell? Corrosion. All right, that's like a 23-inch fish. I gotta get a weight on this thing. Look. Okay. Oh no, you son of a gun. Oh, please. Okay. All right, 6'3". Oh my God, I gotta get a new battery for this scale. I almost missed weighing a 6'3", guys. Yeah. All right, guys, 6 pounds, 3 ounces. That got a little hairy, I'm not gonna lie. Scale was not working. Caught her. I was able to get it to work, but whatever. Hey, quality fish, 6 pounds, 3 ounces, 34th 5-pounder bigger fish for the year, and caught it on the big Squirm, the 10-inch worm for 13 fishing. I was just kind of dead sticking because the bite has been so slow. Dead sticked it, and I felt a thump, and I was like, all right, set the hook, and I almost fell down, to be honest. So, all right, big girl, let's get her back in the water. She's been out a little too long, in my opinion, so we need to revive her, get her back in the water, and let's carry on and get some fishing done, guys. All right, taking off. Well, the morning was a very big disappointment as far as topwater go, guys. But you can't be disappointed when you catch a 6 pound, 3 ounce fish. Never am, never will. The bite never gets old, guys. All right, so here's what we got going on, guys. I'm gonna fish this area a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna head on out. But we got the Cliff Banger, and it's the 15-foot diver. This color is, I think it's called something Greg. Old Greg. So there we go. We're gonna fish this around. We'll see what we can do. Crankbait bite has not been there today, but it doesn't mean that it's not gonna be there. It just hasn't been there so far. Trying to work them. I've never caught one on this color. Oh, now I have. Now I have. Now I have. Yeah, they're all moving in here, guys. We're about to be on them. All right. I should say we are on them. By the way, I just did a pirouette with a fish. I'm not real sure why, guys. Whatever. Okay, moving on.
bad when you got all 3 hooks in. Actually, I guess you just got 1, really. Ow, he slapped me.
Okay. All right. Bye. Jeez Louise, little jerk. All right. So, cliffbanger, 13 fishing, 15-foot diver. It's a 70. Old Greg, liking it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna wrap up this video. So it was basically a 2-day video. Top water, no top water this morning, but we landed a good sized fish, and I think we had 3 different species on this video too. So all right, guys, we'll see you back at Bar Talk. Once again, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me, guys. Leave me a comment down below if you like me, if you want to see me do anything special or anything like that, guys. But anyway, see you at Bar Talk. Thank you. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels pretty good too. Bite never gets old, guys. All right, guys, it's election day 2020. All I have to say is go vote for the candidate that has the most American values. Just saying. I'll leave that up to you for you guys to determine who has the most American values. Anyway, so let's get back to this video. So we tried to hit some top water. It was like I think it's like second day back of fishing, second and third day back of fishing. Back to fishing, and yeah, that big gator just rolled right up and just wanted to follow the top water all over the place. We were able to sneak 2 fish out of there. We missed a huge one on explosion. I mean, it breached and everything. It was a monster, guys. I don't know. They were crushing white bait all over the place. At one point, I even hooked one of the bait on my top water, and it was just a small little bait. And it was a white bait. I saw what they were eating. But guys, we could not really get a top water bite going this episode, but we were able to make up for it, and we were able to stick a big one. What was it, like 6 pounds, 3 ounces? Yeah, I almost fell on my hook set, the whole 9. So it was just very interesting, guys. But I do have to say, we've been putting out we've been filming like a lot of content. I've been raking it together. There's a lot of big fish coming, guys. It seems like, I know it's weird, and I know it's only November, but it seems like fish are already starting to move up. They're not quite fat enough yet, but I think they're starting to move up to shallower water. And I know I'm saying it's just November, but you guys got to remember that I fish in Florida. So our spawn really starts to happen, our pre-spawn really starts to happen like usually like middle of November, and it goes like all the way through like March, sometimes in April, where you get to like your second spawn, just before it gets too hot. But anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button. I've got a banger video that's going to be coming out with JC Fishing. We did a collab together, and you guys are going to like that one. Some true giants were caught on that video. But anyway, guys, get out there and vote. Veterans Day is coming up pretty soon, and like I said, get out there and vote, guys. No matter what, no matter whether you decide to vote for somebody who I wouldn't agree with, do it. It is your right. It is what makes this country great, and it is something that myself and many other veterans and many other people, you know, veterans that have lost their lives, have fought for. Is that right? Get out and vote. And remember, right place, right time, right bait, and a whole lot of luck. Keep on fishing, guys.